Welcome back. It is Monday, so that means we get to check in with our local CPA, Jeromy Bourque. He joins us virtually. Jeromy, thank you so much for being here with us today.
Oh, no problem. Happy to be here.
Of course. So today's topic, I think, impacts a lot of us here in Acadia, and we're talking about student loan forgiveness deductions. So what do people at home need to know?
Yeah, so obviously student loan forbearance is coming to an end and payments start up next month. So I thought it'd be a good topic to hit. Now we'd be paying for some student loan principal and interest payments. There's still a student loan forgiveness deduction with your federal tax return. You can deduct up to $2,500 of student loan interest paid.
Yeah.
And you should be able to get your Form 1098E from your federal student loan provider to claim this deduction. I know it's been a couple of years since we had to make payments, so just a reminder there. A lot of that time the form is found online and not mailed to you.
Okay, that's good to note too, because I'm sure some people might be sitting there waiting by their mailbox, waiting to get something in the mail so they can find this easily online.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah.
Why is it so important that we start thinking about this right now?
Well, planning comes into consideration a lot, and one of those is this deduction does phase out or gets reduced for single taxpayers, starting at $75,000 and goes down to zero allowed at $85,000. And for married filing jointly, it starts reducing at $145,000 and then goes down to zero at $175,000. So it's very crucial to do some tax planning if you want to take advantage of this deduction by getting your income down, withholding your federal wages, to a 401k or something like that to get it down to that range.
Yeah. Now, I know you said this phase is out. Are there any limitations that people at home should be aware of?
Yes. When you're married filing separate, you're not eligible for this deduction. So it's one of those deductions that aren't eligible if you go that route.
Okay. And is this something that you would claim on your taxes? How would that work?
Yes. Yeah. So it's above the line deduction is what they call it, but you're claiming the student loan interest paid with that Form 1098E.
And would this be something that people should claim every year if they're eligible?
Absolutely, yes.
This is all great information. It's great and timely that we're talking about this right now. Jeromy, if people at home have any questions for you, how can they contact you?
They can give us a call, 362-5005, or emails at jeromy@jbourquecpa.com.
Jeromy, as always, thank you so much for joining us virtually to share this information with our viewers.
No problem. You have a good one.
You too. If you at home want to learn more, head to KLAF.com, but let's check in with Adam Olivier.